So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. And today we're gonna see how you can make a Discord bot in Python with Gemini integrated to it, so you can use it as an AI chatbot powered by Gemini. So let's get started. So we will start by opening a terminal, and we will cd into our projects directory, and we will cd where you want to write the code for the bot. Now we'll create an environment using Python. So let's write venv, and env is what I'm gonna name my environment. And by the time it gets created, open your browser and type for Gemini Python docs. Open the first link, and this is the official doc for you of from where you can learn how to make the Gemini bot. Now you have to have the Python installed, and you have to install the package called Google Gen AI. So we're gonna do so. We'll activate the environment and we'll write pip install Gemini. Oops, my bad. Google Gen AI. By the time it gets installed, we'll scroll down and we'll find the code which is required for you to run the Gemini through Python. So we will be using this code and we'll merge it with the Discord bot. Before that, you have to create an API key. So for that, you have to get the API key by clicking the link here. And I hope you're logged in. Now click on create API key. You can name it in anything you want. I'll name it YouTube stuff. Select a project. Self-testing is what it's gonna be for me. And I got my key, so I can just copy my key from here and I'll save it for later use. Now going back to the docs, this is the code that we need. So I'll open my project into VS Code. I'll create a gen.py file and I would paste my code from here to here. Now this is the thing that is needed. What you can do is you can also put your API key inside this client. It takes the API key as a string, so we'll do API key equals to and then my key, which is gonna be this thing. Now after this, if I run this and it's gonna work very fine, so let me just run the code and do py gen.py. We'll take the response from Gemini and I'll output it. So let's wait for that. It might be setting some stuff up. AI learns pattern from data to perform intelligent tasks. It does that. We'll work on making a Discord bot. So I'll make a basic structure for the Discord bot in bot.py file. But since you know this is a Discord bot and you need to have Discord package installed, so we will do pip install discord.py. And by the time it gets installed, I'll open my code again and I'll start coding for a very simple Discord bot. So let's roll the time lapse. Now I have coded the basic structure of the bot. I'll open my web browser and I'll go to discord.dev to get the bot token. So go to applications, create a new application. I'll name it Gemini bot. I'll click on create. Well, it's missing access. I wonder why. What access do you need? Gemini Discord bot. Okay. Tutorial bot. I'm a human. Okay, nice. It's a tutorial bot. And I'll go to bot and I will just reset the token. For that, I will need my auth key, so I'll put on my auth key. I'll click on submit and it gives me the Discord token. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it here, and the bot should work fine. I also have to turn on the intents, so I'll do so. Oh, the private application cannot have default link. So for that, we will go to installation, and it is gonna be this. It's not gonna have any install link. I'll go to OAuth 2. I'll click on bot. I'll scroll down. I'll click on admin. This is my bot, so I can give this bot admin perm. I'll click on get it install. Before that, I'll turn this thing off, and I'll paste this link here. You can also paste it in Discord to add it. So if I want the bot to be in this server, I'll just click on this, and it will be added as an admin. Now since I'm already here and my bot is also in the server, I'll give it the bot role. So we just give this the bot role so it can be seen everywhere. Now I'll turn on the bot and it should show up. So I'll just do py bot.py. It's logging in, and it logged in as tutorial bot. So there we go, there it is. So it's a tutorial bot, and since it doesn't have a help command, you cannot see it. But now we're gonna work on the Gemini command. So I'll create a command, bot.command. I'll pass in the name as AI. Let's call the command AI. I'll call it async def AI. We'll take in the parameter as ctx, which is commands.context. I'm just gonna type hint it, and we'll put an asterisk here so we can take the what do you call it, the prompt, which is gonna be a string. Now if you go back to our Gemini code, let's do this. You can see it requires a client with the API key and a response that needs to be generated. So this client code can literally go right below it. By the way, we have to import Gemini AI, so we'll do from Google import Gemini, and now we can call the response. So response can be equal to client dot what this was dot models dot generate content, right? So we can do clients dot models dot generate content. The model is gonna be equal to Gemini Flash. Was it Gemini 2.5 Flash or Flash 2.5? It was Gemini 2.5 Flash. My bad, guys. So we'll put in the model, and the I think it's called contents, right? Yeah, the contents is gonna be equal to prompt. So contents equal prompt. Now the response is gonna be here, and we can literally just return the response. So we can do await ctx.reply response.text. This should be the code, and if you run the bot, it's gonna work. So I'm waiting for it to run. Logged in as tutorial bot, and if I do AI, what is 2 plus 2? So we will wait for it, and it requires 2 plus 2 is 4. So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then make sure you drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.